Are you tired of juggling multiple kitchen appliances to achieve the perfect meal? Say hello to the Instant Pot 6-in-1 Air Fryer and Indoor Grill, an innovative kitchen marvel designed to streamline your cooking process and deliver mouth-watering results every time. From char-grilled delights to crispy air-fried favorites, this versatile appliance has you covered. Let's dive into what makes the Instant Pot 6-in-1 Air Fryer and Indoor Grill a game-changer for home chefs everywhere. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. 6-in-1 functionality for versatile cooking. Why settle for just air frying when you can do so much more? The Instant Pot 6-in-1 Air Fryer and Indoor Grill offers a plethora of cooking functions, including grilling, baking, reheating, roasting, and dehydrating. With this all-in-one appliance, you can unleash your culinary creativity and whip up a wide array of dishes to impress your family and guests. Authentic char-grilling experience. Experience the thrill of outdoor grilling right in your kitchen with the Instant Pot 6-in-1 Air Fryer and Indoor Grill. Thanks to its innovative design, heat is delivered through the bottom of the unit, resulting in true sear marks and authentic char-grilled flavor. Whether you're craving juicy steaks, succulent burgers, or perfectly grilled vegetables, this indoor grill delivers restaurant-quality results with ease. Monitor your cooking with ClearCook technology. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision cooking with ClearCook technology. The Instant Pot 6-in-1 Air Fryer and Indoor Grill feature a see-through lid that allows you to carefully monitor your cooking progress without opening the lid. With a clear view of what's happening inside, you can ensure that your dishes are cooked to perfection every time. Odor-reducing filter for cleaner air. Say farewell to lingering cooking odors with the Instant Pot 6-in-1 Air Fryer and Indoor Grill's Odor Erase filter. This innovative technology uses a carbon filter to reduce odors by up to 30%, leaving your kitchen smelling fresh and clean. Enjoy delicious meals without the hassle of dealing with unpleasant cooking fumes. Effortless cleanup for maximum convenience. Cleaning up after cooking has never been easier. The Instant Pot 6-in-1 Air Fryer and Indoor Grill feature a detachable lid and dishwasher-safe grill plate, air frying tray, and air frying basket. With hassle-free cleanup, you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your culinary creations. Guided cooking and recipe inspiration. Not sure where to start? The Instant Pot 6-in-1 Air Fryer and Indoor Grill has you covered. With an easy-to-use message display and sounds to guide you through cooking, you'll be whipping up delicious meals in no time. Plus, with the free Instant Brands Connect app, you can discover a wealth of recipes to spark your culinary creativity and impress your loved ones. In conclusion, the Instant Pot 6-in-1 Air Fryer and Indoor Grill is a must-have addition to any kitchen. With its versatile functionality, authentic char-grilling experience, innovative features, and effortless cleanup, it's the ultimate kitchen companion for home chefs of all skill levels. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your cooking game with Instant Pot innovation. Your taste buds will thank you. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.